This is how to detect benzene with Tiger XT Select in basic mode. Turn on the instrument by holding the power button. The instrument will run a self-test and warm-up. While the instrument warms up, prepare the following items. Verify that the instrument is calibrated. You can confirm this on the inspection label or certificate. We use one pre-filtered tube per measurement, so plan to bring enough tubes. Once the Tiger has started up, it begins measuring automatically. Search for VOCs in the areas you want to check. When VOCs are detected and you want to test for benzene, select tube mode on the instrument. Use the thermometer and measure the air temperature. Enter the value as shown. Take a pre-filtered tube and the glass cutter. Rotate the pre-filtered tube in the glass cutter and gently break it. Then break the other end. The arrow on the tube must point towards the instrument when inserted into the Tiger. Press the B button to start the measurement. When you're done measuring for benzene, switch the measurement mode back to VOC. Dispose of the pre-filtered tube according to your internal HSE procedures. Place the instrument in clean air and let it sit for about 5 minutes before turning it off. Turn off the Tiger by holding the power button. To get a quick refresher for next time, we recommend that you scan this QR code. It gives you access to a quick guide poster that you can print out and hang at your workplace. The QR code also includes the user manual, data sheet and this video. If you need more benzene pre-filtered tubes, you can find these and other spare parts on our website sgsafety.no. Thank you for watching.